everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on checking your mirrors in under 2 seconds. And I will be showing you how to do it. That's right, I'll be showing you how to check your mirrors in under 2 seconds. And I'll also be showing you, as an added bonus, how to check your mirrors and your blind spot in under 2 seconds. Alright, let's get right into the video. So when you're talking about small time frames like this, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second, then any tiny little fraction of a second that you can shave off will help you stay within that time frame, stay within that guideline, okay? So what we want to do is we want to create the most efficient pathway for checking the mirrors. Now I'm talking about generally, sorry, my mustache is like crawling in my mouth here. It's kind of gross. Anyways, I'm essentially talking about when you're checking your mirrors while driving, when you're scanning your mirrors. So, you know, you're driving on the street, and then I'll go over the bonus, which would be including the blind spot for turns and stuff. But first off, you know, you're driving down the street, and you got to scan your mirrors to see what's happening behind you, right? So you have 3 mirrors. You have a left side mirror, you have a rear view mirror, and you have a right side mirror. Now, a lot of people will follow a specific pattern that is not the most effective. So they'll check their rear view mirror first, then they'll check a side mirror, and then they'll check another mirror, like another side mirror. So essentially you're doing like almost like a triangle. And that's actually not the most effective way, because the most effective way would be a straight line. So what I want to do is I want you to form a straight line from your left mirror to your right mirror, okay? So that's your straight line from your left mirror to your right mirror. The reason we do that is because your left mirror is actually closer. It requires less of a turn of the head. If you're driving on the left side of the car, so your steering wheel's on the left side of the car, turning to the left mirror is way easier and faster than turning to the right mirror. So you want to create a line from your left mirror to your right mirror. In between those 2 mirrors is your rear view mirror. So in that line, you want to slightly move your head up to your rear view and go back down. So what you're doing is left side mirror, up to your rear view mirror, down to your right side mirror. Just like this, left side mirror, rear view mirror, right side mirror. Just like that. It's like a little bit of like a hill that I'm creating with my head. And when you put it into practice, you know, you're driving down the street, you gotta scan your mirrors like that. Like, check this out, literally. And you can stay on each mirror just enough time for just long enough to actually assess what's happening. You're not going like this. Because then if you go like that, you're looking in the mirror, but you're not actually assessing what's happening. So I'm going like this, just like that. Check that out again. And that takes well under 2 seconds. And, you know, you're driving, if you want to do that every minute, just like that. Very simple. That allows you to see in the mirror and see what's happening. So that's the way to check your mirrors in under 2 seconds. Now, that's when you're driving straight and you're scanning your mirrors. As an added bonus, because I don't want this video to be too short and I don't want to give you just one little tiny piece of advice or one tiny lesson, as an added bonus, when you're turning right or left, okay, or switching lanes to the right or the left, you have to check your rear view mirror, your side mirror, and your side blind spot, depending on which side you're switching towards or turning towards. So if I was going towards the left, turning left or switching lanes to the left, it would be rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. And if I was doing the same thing towards the right, it would be rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Check this out. Once again, you want to create the most efficient line, and the most efficient line would be this right here. Okay? You're starting at your rear view mirror and you're going a straight line across to your left, or starting at your rear view mirror and then a straight line across to your right. So let's say I'm switching to the left, okay? Rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. It's all one sweep, okay? I'm not going like this, I don't know what to do. No. Watch, to the right. Rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Just like that. It's like a sweep. And that allows you to do it fast, really quickly, well under 2 seconds. So once again, like this. Okay, that's well under 2 seconds. And then like that. And that speed, like I can do it like this. Okay, but that I can't assess at that speed. So instead, if you keep your time frame to under 2 seconds, it allows you to essentially look at the mirror and the mirrors and the blind spot, or the mirrors depending on what you're doing, right? Or all 3 mirrors depending on what you're doing. But also it allows you to assess what's happening. And that's it. You want to essentially create a straight line, a straight sweep, with the direction that you're working with. You want to create the most efficient way to check all of the things that you need to check, the mirrors and potentially the blind spot. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.